Hi everyone! In this CF PowerScripts tutorial, I will show you how to automatically preselect one or more order bumps on your Clickfunnels Classic order form page as soon as it loads. Preselected order bumps subtly encourage customers to consider additional offers and can potentially increase their order value. To set everything up, you will need your Clickfunnels Classic account and CF PowerScripts VIP account. The first thing that you will need to do is to log into your CF PowerScripts account. If you have just created your account, please watch the onboarding video that shows you how to connect your Clickfunnels Classic account to CF PowerScripts. Once you have your Clickfunnels account connected, go to the PowerScript section. If that's the first PowerScript that you will add to the funnel, don't forget to add our code snippet to the body tracking code section, as mentioned in the note here, and you can copy the code snippet by clicking on this button. Now go to the funnel where you want to pre-select order bumps, and after that go to the Order Forms tab and click Add New. Search for CF Auto Select Bump. For this PowerScript, we only have one setting, which is Product ID or Product IDs if you have multiple order bumps on your order form, and to get the Product ID, we need to go to Clickfunnels. In Clickfunnels, open the funnel and go to the order form where you want to add the CF Auto Select Bump PowerScript. This PowerScript is created specifically for order forms and works on regular and two-step order forms. Just make sure that you're using the right page type, the order form. The small text here under the name of the funnel step will tell you what page type you're using right now. If you haven't done it yet, open the page in the page editor and add an order bump element to your order form. After that, go to the Products tab. And if you have not created the order bump product yet, add this product. Then click Edit. And the only thing that we need to do here is to copy the product ID. You can find the product ID in the URL after the text, products, and slash. This number is the product ID. Copy it and go back to CF PowerScripts. Paste the product ID that you have just copied from Clickfunnels in the field here and click Add Script. Now let's preview our funnel page and see if the CF Auto Select Bump PowerScript works as expected and our order bump is pre-selected. You can open the page directly from CF PowerScripts, click on the icon here and click Open Preview Funnels tab. Scroll to the order form, and as you can see, the order bump that we added on the page is now pre-selected. The order bump product shows up in the order summary and in the order total. Now let's place a test order to confirm that everything works as expected. I will quickly fill in the contact information and the billing information, and then we will proceed with the order. Use the test number here as your credit card number. The date is any date in the future. And the verification code is just 3 random numbers. On the order confirmation page, we should see our primary product and the order bump product number 1. That's the order confirmation for my latest order. As you can see, we have both the primary product and the order bump product in the order. Don't be surprised if you see other products in the order confirmation here, like I do. If you submit multiple orders on different pages hosted on the same domain, on the order confirmation page like we have here, Clickfunnels will show you all the products you purchased on these pages. That's why if you tested multiple of our demo pages and submitted multiple test orders, you may see these test purchases here as well. If you want to have multiple order bumps on the order form, you can use our CF Multi-Bump or CF Pretty Bump PowerScript. The videos in the card up here will walk you through the setup of these PowerScripts. For example, on this demo page, we're using the CF Pretty Bump PowerScript that allows to add multiple order bumps, give them a modern look, and add product images. Once you add one of the PowerScripts that support multiple order bumps, the only adjustment you will need to make in the CF Auto Select Bump PowerScript settings to have both order bumps pre-selected is to add the product ID of the second order bump to the settings. To do that, we need to copy the product ID of the second order bump. We go to the product section, click Edit for the second order bump. In the URL, find the product ID, that number after products slash, and copy it. Go back to CF PowerScript, add a comma in this field, and paste the ID that you copied in ClickFunnels. You don't need any spaces, only a comma between two product IDs. Click Save to save the changes. Now we can refresh our page and see that the second order bump is also now automatically pre-selected and added to the order, as you can see in the order summary. Now let's again test everything and place another test order. I will quickly fill in the information and then we will proceed. For the credit card number, use the test number that you see here. The date is any date in the future, and the verification code is 3 random numbers. Now we see our order confirmation with the primary product and both order bumps in the order. You may also see other products in the order confirmation like I have here. And that happens because if you submit multiple orders on different pages hosted on the same domain, on the order confirmation page, ClickFunnels will show you all the products you purchase on these pages. So don't be surprised about that part, especially if you tested other demo pages that we have for different Power Scripts. If you have any questions or experience any issues, feel free to reach out to our support from your CF Power Scripts dashboard. And if you prefer to save time on the whole setup and let us do the work for you, check out our Done For You offers and let us take care of the technical details so that you can focus on more important tasks.